Hello, and welcome to SUNY Coby News for the spring 2026 semester. I'm Hannah. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communications students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for joining us. Having solid internet connection is now the backbone of several aspects of daily life. Getting a good connection can be a challenge in rural areas, just like Cobleskill and Schoharie County. SUNY Coby News reporter Jason Will T. discusses those challenges with the state senator Peter Oberacker.
For many New Yorkers, reliable internet and cell phone service is a given. But for rural communities, it can be a daily struggle that impacts connection, safety, and opportunity. Reliable internet and cell service are becoming more essential parts of everyday life, but not everyone has the same access. I spoke with New York State Senator Peter Oberacker about his efforts to strengthen service and bridge the gap.
It does not matter who you are, and it does not matter what you do, but it matters where you live as far as the ability to, get connected. The ruralness of this district, the ruralness of the counties that I represent, it's a huge issue. I mean, look at today, how much stuff we order, my taxes, those type of things that we all do online. So it's a big deal.
While the initiative has seen progress, it's not without its challenges.
For a plethora of reasons. I mean, terrain, the mountains, and just the absolute ruralness of my district is the huge challenge with getting us all hooked up. Geographic is probably, yes, the number one. The next would be kind of regulatory. We tend to put some roadblocks unnecessarily, unfortunately, up. So definitely the ruralness is number one. Second is regulatory, without a doubt.
The senator urges anyone experiencing connectivity challenges to reach out and make their concerns heard.
So one of the things is to actually send us emails, send me emails. I get the best information from that. To be able to come back to, say, a committee meeting and say I have 300 emails here in my hand of people who are desiring of this service and don't have it because of X, Y, and Z. Those things do have an impact. So I would say reach out to us via our Senate website. I know we could make an impact.
Last October, the $33.6 million Schoharie County Broadband Project finally began. The Mountain Eagle reports that the last county board meeting on March 20th, an extension to the installation plan might be needed. So far, only 10% of the project is completed. The goal of this project is to give every person in Schoharie County access to solid internet connectivity. So far, only about 30 miles of the planned 300 of fiber optic cables are installed. Students can take a day trip to Boston soon for just $20. The bus will leave from Knapp Circle early Saturday morning on April 18th, returning that evening. You can buy your tickets through the Office of Student Leadership in Bauk Hall, room 209. During the trip, you could visit the New England Aquarium, take in the Boston sights, or check out Quincy Market, known for its storefronts and rich American history serving the Boston community. There isn't a set schedule of events for the trip. You'll have the whole day to tour around the city. Tickets for the Boston trip are on sale now. Cash and PayPal are acceptable. The trip is sponsored by the Campus Engagement Board. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
When I was in foster care, I never knew when I would have to move, so I always had my suitcase ready to go. Then one day I was adopted. My new parents opened their hearts and home to me. My parents cook my favorite breakfast for me every morning. My parents take me on trips I never thought I would go on. They gave me a home and an even better reason to use that suitcase. My parents aren't perfect, but they're perfect for me.
The communications program here at SUNY Cobleskill are helping to prepare for the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism. just like what we're bringing you right now here on SUNY Coby News. Welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Noah for SUNY Coby Weather. Hannah, the world wants to know, have you ever seen the movie Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs?
I have, but where are you going with this, Noah?
Today in our studio, it is cloudy with a chance of homemade cookies. We want to give a sincere thank you to Mr. Flanagan's wife for homemade cookies this semester.
They were really wonderful.
So as we move in to look at today's weather, currently it's a nice 49 degrees out, sunny and warm. Warm weather is on its way for once. How exciting is that? As we move into the later part of tonight, it's going to be about 36 degrees, nice, clear night. As we move into tomorrow, we are going to have a super warm day, 61, high, low 42. It's going to be nice and sunny, getting warmer and warmer. And then Friday, it's going to be a nice high 70 degrees, partly cloudy with some clouds mainly in the afternoon. And then we move into Saturday, Springfest. It's going to be a nice warm 49 degrees, some clouds towards morning, but sunshine later in the afternoon. A good day to enjoy Springfest. And then we move into the Sunday. It's going to be a high of 56, sun throughout the morning with some clouds in the later part of the afternoon. Overall, it's going to be a super nice weekend. As we look into next week, it's going to be relatively warm throughout most of that, staying up towards the 70s. In the middle part of the week, we're going to have some more rain and stormy weather, but that is to be expected as we get into the nice spring here of upstate New York. And then capping off Friday, it'll be around 60 with some clouds and sun later in the day.
Noah, you know what I'm most excited for?
What is that?
That rain means Mayflowers.
Exactly. And I am looking forward to the warmer weather and everything that comes with it.
Thanks, Noah, for that weather update. We'll be back with more news after these messages.
You're watching SUNY Coby News, live from the video production studio on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
Today I'm going to talk to you about physics. Come on in, girls. Let's go. This is the first rocket to get humans to Mars. Really tall. I'm a rocket structural engineer, designing and building parts of the rocket. You are the generation that will be stepping foot on Mars. Do I have a group of astronauts on my hands? Yes. You can become a rocket scientist or whatever else you want to be.
Hello, and welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Hannah. Thanks for joining us. The Campus Engagement Board is bringing back the Springfest event this Saturday. Organizers say this is a chance for students to get outside and take a break. There will be a setup for tie-dye shirts, food trucks will be available, and there will be plenty of lawn game options too. You can also get details on several clubs. They'll all be there, set up throughout the Springfest. Events with more options and activities. It all happens outside of Champlin Hall this Saturday. When you're looking to get involved on campus or in the Cobleskill community, we've got you covered. Let's look at the events coming up this week. Tomorrow at 12:30, there's a scavenger hunt. It starts in the lobby in Bouck, just outside of Twisted Whiskers. Friday, from 5 to 7 p.m., Sigma Alpha Gamma Delta is holding a McDonald's Drive fundraiser at the Cobleskill McDonald's on East Main Street. On Sunday, the Campus Engagement Board car show returns, noon to 4 o'clock p.m. in the Agway lot just across from campus. And looking ahead to Sunday, the 19th, the Cobleskill Christian Fellowship Club is holding their pancake fundraiser that starts at 11:30 a.m. at the Calvary Assembly of God on Mineral Springs Road. For more information about events on campus, check out Coby Engage and download the Cork app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News, live from SUNY Cobleskill. I'm Hannah. We will be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News, coming to you right here from the video production studio located on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library building. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communications programs, along with the new agricultural communication program here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit www.cobleskill.edu today. Again, I'm Hannah. For all of us here in the SUNY Cobleskill Communications program, thanks for joining us. We'll be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News.